Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Welcome to my channel. I've realized quite a number of people did not get on how to update their meter tokens, and so in this video I've decided to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to update your meter, your token meter. I've been seeing very negative comments. I don't know why people have to be so rude, although some were just saying they don't get, but some are super rude. Guys, if you don't get something, you just ask. Okay, I'm just going to show you a step by step. So step one is to buy your meters. What people don't understand is that KPLC is going to send you the code itself. The day or the minute you buy tokens, that's when you get the codes. So you have to wait until when you buy the token, like ile kutanunua tokens, So once you buy your tokens, if at all your meter is not updated, you're going to receive a 3-step SMS. Normally we receive one SMS, but in this case, if your meter is not updated, you will receive 3 SMSs. Okay, the first one will give you the step 1, the codes to put in. After that, the KPLC meter will tell you to go to step 2. Okay, and you fill in the second code, and after that, now the third step is now to fill in the code for the tokens now. And I'm gonna show you like literally using a token meter. I've actually gone out of my way, so please like this video. Okay, once you buy your tokens the normal way, this is the message you should be expecting to get, and we are going to start with filling in the step 1 code. So now I've filled in the codes in step 1, and after you fill in the codes in step 1, this is how your token meter tells you, please second. Okay, so we are now going to fill in the code in step 2. And then the normal way we press enter, it has accepted. Okay, now we're going to fill in the meter now, the tokens, the step 3, because now we still have 3. As you can see, the units are still 3, so the tokens have not yet reflected. So I key in the other codes and press enter. Accept. Okay, so now I believe those are 3 steps. Let's see if it's going to change. Our tokens were 3. Yep, now we have 9.5. Yeah, so I hope now this was useful, guys. Please like this video. As always, I bring you informative content, and I'm hoping to give you more and more. In case you have any other question about anything, just ask me. I am your IT guru, and I got everything figured out, guys. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for those who have given me a positive feedback, and I'm hoping to see you guys in the next video. Until that time, please like and subscribe. Bye.